We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at this 7x20 foot tilt trailer. It has your coupler, jack, and safety chains. Spare tire holder. Breakaway system. The floor is made of pressure treated wood flooring. It does have your stake pockets along the side. Comes with two greasable 3,500-pound axles. This does have a removable fender. There's your bolts on the side, handles. This is fully wired with LED drive lights. Once again, this is our 7x20 tilt trailer. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.